Want to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate? We're going to talk about how you can do that right now. ClickFunnels offers a free affiliate bootcamp. The training course is worth over $1,000 and will train you on how to do affiliate marketing and actually make a living from it. The affiliate marketing bootcamp is full of some of the best online marketing strategies and tactics that you can use to sell ClickFunnels, but it is also used for any other online marketing projects that you have in your head. So now, why do you want to be a ClickFunnels affiliate? Well, ClickFunnels is a growing business. They have over 52,000 active users using ClickFunnels, and that is increasing on a month-by-month basis. Next, they have, which is very important for you, this next step, they have a high lifetime commission, a 40% commission, and that it recurs monthly, which is awesome for you. As long as anybody who clicks through your affiliate link stays on ClickFunnels, you receive a monthly commission over and over again. So it can greatly compound. And to make about $40,000 a year, you will only need 100 people to stay on, which is pretty awesome and extremely doable. Next, they have what is called a sticky cookie, which is one of the best parts about ClickFunnels affiliate program. What this means is that if a person visits the .com secret landing page and does not buy, the ClickFunnels cookie is recorded on the visitor's computer, and if they return to the same product or any others, you will still get a commission because of the sticky cookie, which is awesome when it comes to upsells as well, because you will get credit for that too. Next, they do a little bit of the selling for you. Russell Brunson is the creator of ClickFunnels, and he will do some of the selling for you through his ads. If someone clicks on your link, their pixel is collected and your affiliate tag is collected with them as well and attached to that person. Russell will provide and promote ClickFunnels to them on his dime through Facebook, YouTube, and email if he collects their email. It's a pretty awesome system because Russell is the master at conversions. Now, the main offer of ClickFunnels is that ClickFunnels is a monthly software. Everyone who signs up gets about a 14-day free trial on a $97 a month plan, which that is the starter plan. But you will get a reoccurring $38.80 commission on that, which is pretty awesome. And like I said before, you get about 100 of those, and that's about $4,000 a month. Now, on this plan, users get access to all the funnel creation tools for creating 20 funnels, 100 pages, and for about 20,000 visitors. The next plan is the Essence Suite, which is $297 a month, and you get a $118.80 commission on that, which includes a whole bunch of different features, including Actionetics, which is an email autoresponder, and Backpack, which is one of the best shopping cart apps out there. You also get unlimited funnels, pages, and visitors. Now, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, ClickFunnels does have other offers out there. As an affiliate, you can also promote all of Russell Brunson's books and trainings, and there are quite a few. One of the examples is he has a funnel hacker cookbook, which is basically a cookbook that has all the recipes for the funnels, when to use them, where to use them, and how to create them. And through that process, there is a $2,332 sales price for that, and you get a $933 commission on that. What he does, though, is he kind of runs a tripwire system through that, where he gives away the cookbook for free, and then he offers additional upsells and trainings that amounts to that $2,332 price tag and your close to $1,000 commission. Now, next is another awesome one that definitely a lot of people check out. It's called Funnel Scripts, which is basically it writes your sales script and your sales copy for you. All you have to do is answer a couple of questions, and it spits it out right then and there for you. That is about $500, $497, and you get a $198 commission on that. Now, what's important is, okay, how are we going to promote ClickFunnels so we can become a super affiliate? Well, what you can do is you can target business owners who could use the help with sales and marketing. This requires a little legwork on your part, but if you're willing to hustle, this can be extremely lucrative. As you know, many local businesses don't have the budget or know how to create a good web presence to sell their service. So this is kind of the way you would do it, is get in contact with them and show them how ClickFunnels could benefit them and their service and make them more money. And next, you could also share your funnels with them that you built and have them sign up through your affiliate link, or you could just share it to whoever needs the funnel. Share funnels are one of the coolest features of ClickFunnels. Basically, every funnel you could create, or every funnel you create in your account, has a unique share funnel URL which you can share with others. And this kind of leads to you have a funnel building business. So why not create your own business that makes sales funnels for others? ClickFunnels makes it easy to create funnels, and the more you create, the easier it gets. Sometimes it's almost as easy as 10 minutes worth of work. And once you establish your service and get more work, you can easily outsource the work to someone else. Another way that you can promote ClickFunnels is promoting it to affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketers need funnels to increase their sales conversions, and ClickFunnels is one of the best programs to do it. There is a market for it because if you look online, every successful affiliate marketer and e-commerce marketer or e-commerce owner has an optimized sales funnel. Now, if you want to get started, what I've done is I've left links in the description for you. There's a link to a free trial for 14 days where you can check out ClickFunnels and get your hands on it and feel and understand how it works so you can better promote it. That is one thing that I do recommend, is you get your hands on it, understand how it works so you can promote it. Then there's that free affiliate bootcamp, which Russell walks you through a day-by-day process, and it gives you the tips and tricks to understand affiliate marketing. Again, this training course is worth over $1,000, and it will train you on how to do affiliate marketing and actually make a living from it. The Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp is full of some of the best online marketing strategy and tactics you can use to sell ClickFunnels, but also for any other online marketing projects that you have in your head. You could retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate if you're willing to put in the work. And that is what is awesome about this affiliate program. So, are you ready to put in the work and change your life? Just check out the links in the description.